Yeah. Yeah. I was finna write a song about how I've been hella stressed, but I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. And staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat, so bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side.
Yo, this wig remind me of the 5 Heartbeats. Yo. Nights like this, I wish raindrops would fall. Or we can be a more happy time when their hair was really laid. I got nothing but love for you, baby. I got nothing but love. I got nothing but love.
Tell them dudes they can fall back. Kid in the kill, I need all that. Let them call, but don't call back. Let them call, but don't. I don't want you saying that you.
I don't know about this one, y'all. I don't know. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut this lace off, do my makeup, style it, and then come back with my final thoughts. So let's get into it. Oh, y'all like my nails? Look at me.
Pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. Still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring.
Hey, y'all. What's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Yes, let me know. I hope you all are doing well. I hope you all are staying safe. And I hope you all are taking care of you, your mental health, and your families and all that good jazz, okay? I love y'all. Mwah. Today's video is brought to you by moi. Yes, as you know, I am doing a short wig series on my channel. I have not forgotten about it, okay? All right. Okay. Don't be fussing at me. I didn't forget. So the wig that I am wearing today is the Bobbi Boss Lace Front Premium Synthetic. It comes with HD lace, 4x4 deep lace, granddaddy long leg baby hairs. It has flexible parting. They said that this is high definition transparent lace. I don't know about all that. And it is heat resistant safe, but it does not have the degrees on it. So I left my hot comb on 1. Okay, we're not burning no hair over here. And I have this wig in the style MLF 442 Luca. Living La Vida Luca. Come on. All right, and I have it in the color number 1. Here is the stock card. You might can't see it because my lighting is kind of funky. The model is not really doing it for me. You know what I'm saying? But I wanted to get this wig because I felt like I could finesse it. But y'all know we don't pay attention to stock cards on this channel because they be catfishing us. Sometimes the wig look good on the stock card and it's really not. And sometimes the wig look hideous and it's popping. Okay, so don't be listening to these stock cards. All right, y'all, so let's get into Shaluka. Y'all already know how I do. I give y'all those cons first and then I jump right into the pros. I'm gonna go ahead and drop these cons on y'all because okay, let's just say all right. The first con I would have to say about this wig is that this wig is a shedder and it's a short wig. Okay, when I was styling the wig before I took my razor comb to it, I was like, what is these little hairs all over my body? And the wig was shedding. And I was like, bruh, it's a short wig. Why is it shedding? But it's not a whole lot to make me dislike the wig. But it just was noticeable. I got little pricklies all over me. What is going on? Like Marvin Gaye. You know, don't punish me with brutality. Come and talk to me. so you can see what's going on. I'm gonna say she's a light shedder, okay? I did not receive any tangles with this wig, just a little bit of shedding. Now, this wig, I wouldn't say it's necessarily a con, but this wig is not a plop on and go. I thought this wig was gonna be banging straight out the pack, but no. I had to finesse this wig a lot, y'all. When you get this wig, it is a whole lot of body. It's a whole lot of curls. It was real heavy on this side, so I did go in on my razor comb and thin it out. And I thinned out the sideburns, you know, so I can look, you know, a little decent, you know what I'm saying? So I can look a little spit. I'm just letting y'all know because it can be intimidated. I was getting frustrated. I was like, bruh, this side of the wig is so freaking long and this one got too much body. So I did go in and apply a little bit of heat, but I didn't want to apply too much to where it flattened the wig. But y'all, with this wig, you can get one hell of a shebangy bang, 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 baby. All right? So let's go ahead and jump right into the pros of this wig. First pro I would have to say is that this hair feels amazing. Okay? Yeah, it shed a little bit. It's a synthetic wig. But it feels so good, y'all. Tony style. You know what I'm saying? It feels good. Yeah. My personal opinion, but I feel like Bobbi Boss has the best hair in the synthetic wig game. All right? That's what I believe. And that's what I believe. Yes, Donnie McClurkin. I like that it comes with all of the body and the bounce and the curls. Like, look at this. This is synthetic. Y'all, I'm loving it. Another pro I would have to say is the style. I am really loving this oldie but goodie looking look. Is that right? I just feel like I look so good and so classy and so sophisticated. I'm really feeling like a true princess. My old tail talk about a princess. But no, I really love the style of this wig. It is short. It is great for the summertime. The last pro I would have to say about this wig is the parting space. The parting space is really natural. All I did was apply some pressed powder and it was good to go. The lace does come light, y'all, but all I did was fix it with some concealer and some pressed powder and we good to go, okay? The hairline, it is not pre-tweezed, but I don't think they said that on the stock card. So you might want to go in and pluck it a little bit to make it a little bit more natural. I ain't doing that, y'all. I just plucked the wig and I feel like I'm traumatized, okay? Like I'm really traumatized. Overall, I think this is a very beautiful wig. Very beautiful wig. You have to make it fit for you. But I would recommend this wig and I would definitely purchase it again with my own coins. I mean, I purchased it the first time with my own coins, but I'm just telling y'all I would buy it again, okay? Y'all know what I meant. Before I forget, this wig is not big head friendly, okay, y'all? Not at all. My edges is out on the side and it kept sliding back, and that's why I did go in and use some of my bed hair spray so it could lay on down, you know what I'm saying? But it is what it is. You can rock it with a wig grip, not a wig grip. Lay it down, don't lay it down. It's all up to you, boo. It's your head. You do what you want to do. Just watch my shoes, okay? Do what you do, but watch my shoes. Hey, dance with your boo. But I'm going to go ahead and wrap up today's video because it's not a whole lot for me to say. I will leave a link down below where you can purchase this wig, but you shop where your heart desires, boo, okay? If you like today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just want to say what's up, drop it down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below. Hey, because I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you see it. Yes. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting no little extra me. And hopefully, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.